I'm Alex Kitt, and I just presented on the machine learning enhanced development of functionally graded materials enabled by directed energy deposition. This is some really cool work that EWI did on a Department of Energy program. We had key partners in GE Aerospace Research and the University of South Carolina. The goal was to develop functionally graded materials for jet engine applications. And I presented on how we can use ICME frameworks to identify which materials are best suited to be next to one another, weight that against the actual needs of the industry, and develop materials very quickly using machine learning algorithms that are of high quality and also have that functionally graded zone. We went to the extent of actually building a 737 scale jet engine case that went from Inconel 718, so a lower temperature, lower cost, high strength nickel alloy on the cold side of the jet engine, to Rene 41, a higher cost, higher temperature alloy that we only put on the high temperature side of the jet engine, and cost savings can result from that combination. The ability to generate new functionally graded materials faster is a key benefit. So you can think, hey, it's hard to develop for additive manufacturing processes, the process parameters for single materials. Now you're adding in a second material, right? So you're adding in a lot of complexity that delays that process even further. So one of the things we showed is we can rapidly accelerate those design curves. I'm talking like 5 to 10x speed in development time. That's a very general outcome that could apply to a host of applications. Then on the very specific side, that jet engine application, we actually did a detailed cost model comparing a Rene 41 casted component to the DED component and saw a cost savings. So real world application specific component. Functionally graded materials for a long time have been an area of interest by the research community and a little slow to be taken up by industry. So I think one misconception that we all need to work together to solve is what barriers need to be overcome to show that we can get there, right? That we can get to that point of industry readiness. And specifically on this project, we did a lot of fatigue testing, tensile testing of that functionally graded zone. And we showed that the material strength of the functionally graded zone was actually as strong as the base material, which is very exciting. Reach out to me at akitt@ewi.org.